Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Mobil diesel variant for complete service. At the moment you can just have a look at this vehicle. This vehicle is come for the complete general checkup at the moment. So we have procured the parts at the moment. We are using a Mobil 5W30 fully synthetic oil, and we are using a Sofima air filter and oil filter, and one shock absorber is going to be replaced, TRW backside the suspension. There was a sound on the vehicle, and we are going to replace the sensor also. Brand new Hitachi sensor we are going to install. Right now the discs have been completely faced at the moment, and brand new end rods are going to be replaced from the old one. So this is the rear shock absorber which is going to be replaced. This is the TRW shock absorber which is going to be installed on the vehicle at the moment. So all the sides we have removed the wheels. Brake liners have been cleaned and are going to be fitted again. So you can just check out the old shock absorber which we have removed, and we are going to replace with a brand new one. The brand new air filter which is installed in this at the moment, and we are using a Sofima brand air filter, and this is the oil filter which is going to be replaced, and this is the clutch cylinder which is going to be replaced. And we are using 5W30 fully synthetic Mobil oil with all-in-one protection, 90% better protection. So this is fully synthetic oil, can be used for both petrol and diesel cars. So you can just check. Right now we are installing the engine oil into the machine. You can just have a look. This is the way we pour the engine oil to the machine, and we have checked the coolant level is totally perfect. So for any kinds of servicing related any issues or any petrol and diesel cars, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. Please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you.